Robots just crossed a major milestone in household chores, and it's changing everything we know about AI. In a breakthrough that blurs the line between science fiction and reality, a US-developed humanoid robot has achieved what was once considered nearly impossible: folding laundry with human-level precision. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this advancement actually threaten jobs? Or is it the domestic revolution we've been waiting for? California-based robotics company Figure has released jaw-dropping footage of its humanoid robot autonomously folding towels with multi-fingered hands. The video, published August 14, 2025, shows the machine performing what appears shockingly human: smoothing fabric, creating crisp folds, and neatly stacking linens. What makes this different from previous attempts? The robot's Helix AI system coordinates wrist rotations, torso movements, and individual finger adjustments in real time, mimicking the subtle coordination humans take for granted. Here's the kicker: folding laundry is deceptively complex for machines. While humans handle floppy towels instinctively, robots struggle with soft materials that shift unpredictably. Figure's engineers revealed this required solving three major hurdles. 1. Balancing speed without tearing fabric. 2. Adapting grit strength for different textures. And 3. Spatial reasoning to create uniform folds. And this is the part most people miss. The same AI system managing warehouse boxes last month is now folding your hypothetical gym shorts, proving adaptable intelligence isn't just for single tasks. Controversy alert. Some experts argue focusing on domestic robots distracts from more urgent industrial applications. But Figure counters that home environments are the ultimate testing ground for adaptable AI. If a robot can handle a crumpled towel, a company spokesperson noted it can handle unpredictable real-world scenarios from emergency response to elder care. Meanwhile, another viral sensation has entered the conversation. Stanford researcher Aaron Tan's Lume robot, disguised as a sleek lamp, amassed millions of views for its blanket folding demo. But there's a twist. The video used CGI effects, sparking debates about authenticity in tech marketing. Tan insists a physical prototype exists and plans to launch a $2,000 consumer model by 2026. Skeptics ask, should we trust flashy robot demos or demand more transparency? As Figure's robots continue learning from real-world data, they're projected to master tasks from cooking to childcare within years. But this raises pressing questions. Will these advancements truly improve daily life or create new ethical dilemmas? And here's where you come in. Would you trust a robot to handle your delicates? Share your thoughts below. Is this the future we need, or are we hurtling toward a Wall-E scenario faster than we realize?